Hey everybody, it's Neil, and what I have here is a folding table. Let's go ahead and show you guys this folding table. So let me take it out of the box here. I'm gonna have to flip it upside down. One sec. I'll show you guys in a second here. Let me just get it out of the box. Okay. And I have to get the box out of the way. Okay. I'll aim you guys down so you can watch what I'm doing. Okay, so here it is. So this is it here. It came packed in that box. There's the foam for it. It's got a wooden texture, so it looks like a wooden table. But let's go ahead and open it up. And open that up. Open that up. Okay, so there we go. We have a open table. So we have a low table now, if I want to have a low table. But if I want to have a higher table, it looks like we can adjust these down like so. And depending on how high we want it, we can pull these out even further. I guess that's as high as it will be. Okay. Probably need to clip this in there. Now it won't fold. And so now it'll be a higher card table. Let's do the same thing on this side here now. Pull it down. And there we go. And so now I have a good size card table. So look at that, folding table. So you can put anything on it. I have some, whatever, just some boxes and things. Great to have. I've always wanted different card tables and folding tables, and I like this one here. It's easy to use. If I'm having a garage sale or something like that, I can put it out there. Or if I'm just organizing things, I can totally use it. So this will get a ton of use here in the house. It was really easy to do. I have a bad wrist. I'm going in for a checkup soon, so that's why I'm having a little bit of a hard time doing anything. But to put it down, it'll just go like that. And then, what do we have here? Halfway point. There's that. And then the rest of the way. Oh, there's the button. There. So then we just fold it sideways. My wrist. Okay. And then you push those in. Fold it up. Push it in. Fold it up. Keep that out there. Flip this. Rotate it around. And now you have a handle and your table. So really cool. Totally useful. Sorry my floors are dirty, but you get the idea. It's really nice. Thumbs up.